Hello, hello, hello. Today I figured I might attempt to do a little unboxing video. I just received, because I've been playing around with this old DV camcorder that used to be, is still my parents' actually, but they haven't used it in many years, from the early 2000s that still uses Hi8, or well, it's a digital video camera, but it records onto Hi8 those little mini Hi8 videotapes, and it still works. The camcorder still works. So, yeah, I just got in the mail what should be this nice this new Hi8 videotape from eBay. Yeah. I don't have a tripod or a real mount or anything for my iPhone here that I'm using to record. I guess I should have thought of that one first before trying to do an unboxing video. But, so yeah, well, yeah, could have thought about that one. How about if I try to rig up some solution to actually try and get the iPhone sort of in place here? Well, let's stand up on its own just with the, okay, that's cool. Just with the case that I'm using for it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, here it is. Oh, the camcorder. Here's the box with videotape. Isn't that satisfying? Should not use bubble wrap. Oh, yeah. All wrapped up nicely in bubble wrap. Should be a nice new videotape. Ah, yes. Isn't that satisfying? Ooh, got my hand stuck in the tape there a little bit. Yep, Sony Hi8E metal 120 minutes. I think if you're recording, this is a digital 8 camera, camcorder, records digital video to the tape. So I think if you're using this for a digital camcorder, it actually gets 60 minutes on a tape, not 120 minutes. As it says on the package, I think the 120 minutes is assuming you're recording conventional analog video, not digital. Meow. Oh, there's Cricket. Oh, it's Cricket, our kitty, my family's kitty. Meow. Oh, adds some nice ambiance to the video, I think. Yeah. Open, ouvrir. Got a handy dandy little spot view to, there we go. Ooh. I loved opening up tapes when I was young, and I used to, mostly audio tapes. I used to make like audio recordings and recordings from movies, of like movie soundtracks, of like Disney movies and other movies that I loved as a kid. Hi8 metal. That's a metal tape. That's, it's quality. Ooh. Made in Japan, of course. Ooh. Yeah, very cool. I love the packaging here. I think it's just cool, I always thought it was cool as a kid just how small the tapes are, But yet you can store, like, high quality video on them, even digital video. Pretty antiquated format now, of course, but right protect notches off, so yeah, should all work nicely and everything. Ooh, yeah. Let's maybe get the packaging out of the way for the moment. We won't let Cricket eat it. Yeah. And, well, actually, let me show you Cricket for just a second because he's so cute. Hi, sweetie. Hi, little munchkin. Hey, sweetie. Oh, sweetie. He's so affectionate. Oh, he's so affectionate. He's such a sweet cat. Oh. Now the camcorder. Yep. All right. Power. All right, so this is how the whole camcorder mechanism works. There's a tape in there right now, an old tape that has precious memories recorded on it, so we don't want to record over those for sure. Eject. Yeah, look in there, look inside there. Oh, isn't that cool? Yep, yep, you can see this, yep. Oh yeah, you can see the the head, the video tape head down there. Yep. So yeah, the new tape pops in this way, facing down, because the play and record head is down there. Yep. Hi8. And you push this in, and automatically retracts back in, and there you go. Yeah. Hey, Cricket, this isn't for you, I'm afraid. Not for you, sweetie. Close this up. And well, I've got it in photo mode now, maybe, or actually, what mode do I have it in? Want it in memory, want it in camera mode. Standby. Well, take off the lens cap. What's that noise it's making right now? Hopefully that's okay. Huh. See what happens if I push the record button. Record. It says it's recording. Yeah, 1 second, 2 seconds. Yeah. Doing this one-handed, a little clumsy here. Hey, Cricket. Hey, sweetie. Oh, hey, sweetie. Hey, Cricket. Hey, baby Cricket. Oh, hey, sweetie. Oh, baby Cricket. Meow. 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 Right, let us now. Might move the camcorder over here. Stop the recording. And, all right. Now go back into playback mode. Hey, Cricket. Playback mode. And the controls illuminate here for the tape. I set the clock, September 27th to, yep. Rewind. And we're at the beginning of the tape and see if we could play it back. This is recording. 1 second, 2 seconds. Doing this one-handed, a little clumsy here. Hey, Cricket. Hey, sweetie. Oh. Hey, sweetie. Hey, Cricket. Hey, baby Cricket. Oh. Hey, sweetie. Oh, baby Cricket. Meow. 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 Hey, let us now. Stop recording. Yeah, and there you have it. Yeah, seems to work like a charm. Excellent. Yeah, this is not sure exactly when my parents bought this camcorder, but I looked up the model number, and this particular model came out in the year 2000. And yeah, to have that cassette mechanism and everything, a videotape mechanism, little mini videotape mechanism still working perfectly. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, so yeah, there you have it. Just a quick little video. Hopefully that was fun. And yeah, I hope to anyone who did watch, I hope, yeah, hope you have a lovely day. Bye now.